Welcome. This is just a quick little demo of a reports branch I'm working on, and it has some kind of neat stuff in it, like you can expand these containers. You can actually go in and create a custom report, um, and yeah, um, you can go and view the details for each report just by hovering over the um, each item. So how did I do this? This is all with CSS3, no JavaScript whatsoever, except for uh, making an XHR to the server code for some custom SQL to get a custom report. But yeah, so let's take a look at the CSS and see how we did that exactly. Um, essentially, we've got an item class, a thumbnail class, a sum class, and details class. Those are all kind of, you can imagine how they might be set. One thing to note is that we have in the item class, overflows hidden. So you're not going to actually see the details that are underneath it. So let's see, that are actually underneath, beneath the sum tag. So how are we manipulating things to actually show then? Well, it's all with this sort of logic here. On the items hover, we're going to actually style something. In this case, it's the sum. We're going to set its margin to negative 80 pixels. That's the height of the item. So, yeah, I guess you can probably imagine how it all happens, but one gotcha that you need to note. That is that, why are we not, when we hover over one item class, because these are all classes, they're not IDs. I'm just setting each class and then setting each div to the class. And why, when I hover over this item class, is it not changing all the other sum classes, say their margin to negative 80 pixels? Well, that's because built into CSS3, CSS I mean, you can't manipulate parents with their children. You can only manipulate children with their parents, and you can manipulate siblings. So that is one gotcha that you definitely have to notice. And I think that will about do it. Yeah, no JavaScript, all CSS3, and pretty snappy looking summary and details for some reports. Have a good one.